Everyone in the modern business world has heard of Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP. But what exactly is ERP, and why is it important and useful for your company? In short, ERP systems are intelligent software tools that use gathered data from your business processes to perform complex functions and calculate efficient ways to manage and coordinate your company's resources, including capital, facilities, and personnel, through various integrated software elements. Still sounds a bit abstract? Let's explain it with an everyday example. Imagine you're hosting guests and plan to cook a meal. You decide on the dish, pick a recipe, check the ingredients you have, and create a shopping list. After shopping, you store the ingredients until the day you cook. You then plan the cooking process, set the table, and serve the meal. And afterwards, you clean up. Now, how does this relate to ERP? While an ERP system doesn't come up with a new service idea or how-to, once you put the recipe in, it gets to work. It checks the inventory and creates a shopping list. It can even provide storage information. The ERP system also plans and manages the cooking, i.e., the production, as long as the recipe is entered correctly. ERP handles the planning and management of marketing, logistics, and even finances. But you might ask, I can already manage tasks efficiently. Why do I need a system? Well, there's a difference between preparing a meal for 5 and managing the kitchen of a cruise ship for thousands. It's the same for businesses, small versus large. The number of employees, product range, and client vendor numbers affect the reach and complexity of ERP systems. The more you manage and oversee, the more an ERP system can assist. Especially when things get intricate, that's where ERP truly shines. Implementing and optimizing an ERP system can be challenging. With our expertise, we assist businesses across various industries to enhance their ERP performance. If your ERP is outdated, costly, or lagging, contact us for a free initial consultation with our experts.